What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jeff, and today I'm showing you just how easy it is to buy Bitcoin using Venmo. Yup, the same app you use to split a dinner bill can now help you start your crypto journey. I'll walk you through everything live, from opening the app to confirming the purchase, using a linked bank account or debit card. Let's get into it. Here's what you'll need before buying Bitcoin on Venmo: a linked account, a linked bank account or debit card, your identity verified, the latest version of the app, and at least $1 to spend. If that sounds like you, let's go. Now, open the Venmo app. From the home screen, tap the crypto tab in the bottom right corner. If you don't see it, update your app first. You'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Tap Bitcoin BTC to open up its details. Here you'll see the Bitcoin price chart along with the current price and a time series. Tap Buy and enter the dollar amount that you want to invest. You can select any amount that you desire. Now, choose a payment method and select either your linked bank account or debit card. Debit cards may process faster, but can have slightly higher fees. Now review the amount of Bitcoin or BTC you're getting, the exchange rate, and any fees. If everything looks good, tap Confirm or Buy Bitcoin to complete your purchase. Once the transaction is complete, your Bitcoin will appear in your Venmo crypto portfolio. You can track its value, view your purchase history, and if enabled, even send or receive crypto within Venmo. Keep in mind you don't have control of the private keys. This is great for casual use or learning, but for long-term storage, consider moving your BTC to a self-custody wallet. And that's it. You now know how to buy Bitcoin on Venmo from start to finish. It's quick, it's easy, and it's accessible right from your own phone. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Like the video if this helped. Drop a comment if you want a tutorial on how to sell or transfer crypto next. Thanks for watching. I'm Jeff, and I'll see you in the next video.